French President Emmanuel Macron visited India and landed in Mumbai yesterday. It did not feel like he was in Mumbai for the first time because he went for a run on Marine Drive, visited the CSMT station at night, and held bilateral meeting with Prime Minister Modi during the rest of the day. He also met the Bollywood stars in Mumbai. At the meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the two leaders discussed defense, artificial intelligence, nuclear energy, aerospace manufacturing, and long-term strategic cooperation. Both these leaders described the relationship as moving into a deeper phase, not just a partnership of trade and defense purchases, but joint development, co-production, and technology collaboration across critical sectors. India and France signed about 20 major agreements across defense, trade, technology, and energy sectors, making one of the broadest deal packages in recent India-France history. The emphasis was on trusted defense cooperation, resilient supply chains, high technology collaboration, and coordination on global issues. The two sides pushed forward plans around advanced defense platforms and weapons systems, along with deeper industry partnership and technological transfer. One of the major areas of cooperation is defense. Both nations renewed their Defense Cooperation Pact for another 10 years, committing to deeper military industrial collaboration and shared training initiatives. Plans were also advanced for manufacturing Hammer missiles in India under joint agreements. Negotiations continued on a multi-billion-dollar deal for 114 additional Rafale fighter jets. If finalized, this would represent one of India's largest defense procurement ever. Modi and Macron also virtually launched the H-125 helicopter final assembly line in Karnataka, which is India's first private sector helicopter assembly facility of this kind. The line has been set up through a partnership between Airbus and Tata Advanced Systems. The facility will assemble H-125 helicopters in India for both domestic use and global exports. Leaders described it as a milestone for India's aerospace manufacturing ambitions and a big step for Make in India in high precision aviation. Officials estimate the facility could produce around 500 H-125 helicopters over the next 20 years, with the first made in India H-125 delivery scheduled for early 2027. Technology and artificial intelligence were another central pillar of Macron's visit, especially around his participation in AI Impact Summit 2026. Macron stressed that AI must be developed with safety, transparency, and public trust at its core. He argued that democracies like India and France must help shape global AI rules so that technology remains human-centric and does not become dominated by a few companies or countries. He called for international cooperation on AI governance, risk controls, and open innovation, and supported deeper India-France collaboration in AI research, startups, and compute infrastructure. Macron also underlined that AI should not widen the global inequality gap. Instead, he said that partnerships between countries like India and France can help make AI tools more widely accessible and responsibly deployed. Overall, the visit combined symbolism with concrete outcomes, upgraded strategic ties, defense co-production momentum, a landmark helicopter assembly line, and joint positioning on the future of AI. The key takeaway is that India-France relationship is moving beyond traditional diplomacy into long-term strategic and technological co-creation, with defense, aerospace, and AI at the center of the next phase. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments, and like, share, and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.